G'day. Wow, have a look at that. It's just a cheap IKEA knife, but it'll be fun to repair, so you may as well watch while I do it. Here's a good look. Pretty mangulated, but it's very thin. Right, so I reckon that even by the time we get up to here, which is about a half an inch, it should still make for a reasonable knife that you can use. So let's take it over to the sander and get rid of this dent. So I'm going to sand it up to there, and it's just going to become a shorter knife. But it should still be useful. I'll grab a brand new 120 grit aluminium oxide belt. I think that's got it. First, I just want to measure how thick it is there. Yeah, pretty thick. It's about as thick as you'd want a knife to be. Pop it on my clamp. You can buy these at the iSharpen.shop. Link is in the description. I'm on the Blackstone. It's very small, but it's still working. My new Blackstone is coming in the next few days. And because we're starting with a square edge, I'm going to roughen it up with the 80 grit plate. You can also buy these at the shop. Link in the description. Now let's choose an angle. I've got 16, 17 and a half, so that'll be about 35, so 17 and a half per side. $35 degrees total for those who are new here. I like to include my mistakes because that way we all learn. I have nothing more to prove in my life. I'm here to entertain, maybe educate a little bit. So the last time I was probably going a bit too slow, and therefore it was grinding away in one area too much. You got to be really careful with these soft steels. This knife belongs to her father, and he really loves using it. And he thought it was a cleaver, so he was trying to hack through some bone, but of course all it did was dent it, like you saw. Told her to just go to IKEA and grab a new one. Okay, we've got a burr. Now we'll smooth the wheel off with a 320 plate. Again, don't forget you can buy these at my store at iSharpen.shop. Sometimes I even touch it with the old wheel, or the old grading stone. That really smooths it out a lot. You can hear the difference straight away. That's not bad. Check it out. That should still be useful as a knife. Maybe for soft work on veg like lettuce. Maybe a tomato for a little bit until it goes blunt. So let's go over to the honing wheel. Now, Might go over to the 1x30 and just give that a little radius there. That's all that needs, just a bit of a radius. Give it a bit of a strop. See if it cuts. Not too bad. Yeah, that's good enough. That's nice. Beautiful. That should be useful for something. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next movie. That was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Of course, there's no fun without Chili Dog. Where is he? There he is. Hey, Chili. Say hello to everyone. You want to say hello? You do? Maybe. Maybe not. Bye-bye.